It's no secret that the British Virgin Islands are home to some of the most breathtaking scenery in all of the Caribbean. In September 2017, the BVIs were struck by Hurricane Irma, a Category 5 storm that caused widespread devastation across the islands.
All right, so here's a latest look at what's going on with Hurricane Irma. You can see just basically right over the British Virgin Islands at this time. Look at how huge this storm is as well. By the way, you did hear this fact, strongest storm in the Atlantic.
One of the hardest hit areas was North Sound on the island of Virgin Gorda. In the heart of North Sound lies Saba Rock, that has since undergone a remarkable rebuild. Join us as we take you with us to Saba Rock and see why it is one of our must-hit spots on our itinerary when sailing the beautiful British Virgin Islands. We are Jillian and Brian, high school sweethearts from Stillwater, Oklahoma. We have a love for adventure and a passion for sailing. For now, our channel showcases our sailing experiences through bareboat charters, along with the unique places we discover while traveling with friends and family. Soon, we hope to leave the daily grind behind and fulfill our dream of crewing our own catamaran. Subscribe and join us as we explore the Caribbean's best beaches, bars, and breathtaking sunsets, one anchorage at a time. If you've been following our channel, you may know that Brian and I first visited the BVI during a sailing school in early 2019. At that time, the locals were still recovering from Hurricane Irma. Midweek, we sailed into North Sound for the always dreaded, yet necessary, man overboard drills. There were only a handful of boats in the entire area. Although it was our first time visiting North Sound, it was evident that Virgin Gorda had been hit hard. Fast forward to today, and both the Bitter End and Saba Rock have been beautifully rebuilt with incredible renovations that have truly transformed the area, making it one of the most popular stops in all of the BVI. When coming to North Sound by boat like we do, there are several anchoring and mooring options. There are mooring balls located at Saba Rock, Bitter End, Beers Creek, and Loverick Bay. There's also anchoring options at Loverick, Little Bay, and just off the Sandbox Bar at Prickly Pear Island. Or if you want to overnight at a marina, both Loverick and Bitter End both have marina and fuel docks, and both have provisioning options as well. We chose to grab a mooring ball at Bitter End Yacht Club. We reserved the ball online, and they requested we hail them on the VHF when we came into North Sound.
Bitter End Yacht Club, Bitter End Yacht Club, Bitter End Yacht Club. This is sailing vessel Lyman on 16.
Lyman, Bitter End Yacht Club. Let's acknowledge and switch to channel 11, channel 11.
We made it to Bitter End. Don't forget to holler at the rum runner, Jim, and his sidekick, Drake. They will bring drinks straight from their boat to yours.
Man, I don't know how my wife can do better at all.
No problem.
Waking up this morning, waking up before it's getting 9. Kinda heavy on my shoulder.
After sipping on a welcome drink, it was time for us to dinghy over to Saba Rock for their happy hour.
Don't know what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine. Turns out that I just got a little bit south, just a little bit north of the Georgia line.
When you arrive at the dock, they always have a friendly staff member to greet you and help tie off your dinghy.
Good evening.
Saba Rock is not only a restaurant and bar, it is a small boutique hotel where they also have a gift shop, a spa, and a nautical museum all on site.
Saba Rock.
From the upstairs bar, you can enjoy cocktails with an amazing view of North Sound at sunset. Every day at 5, they have a tarpon feeding that draws quite a crowd. We enjoyed our time at Saba Rock and look forward to the next time we can visit, but for now, it's time to head back to the boat. Saba Rock is truly a destination unlike any other in the BVI. After bouncing back from Hurricane Irma, it's now better than ever, a perfect mix of laid-back island vibes and luxury. So if you're planning a trip through the British Virgin Islands, definitely make sure Saba Rock is on your itinerary. And if you're looking for more ideas on where to go and what to do, check out our full BVI trip video. We've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next adventure.